Bhavani Mata is the symbol of female power. She is depicted as sitting on a lion. She is Kanya Kumari. She is Mahamaya. She is Mahakali. She is an incarnation of Adi Parashakti, who is considered to be the supreme creator of the universe. In today's video, I'm going to share my experiences of my visit to Bhavani Mata Shrine, located on a hilltop in the beautiful village of Karela in the state of Chhattisgarh. As you come closer to the village, you would be refreshed by the greenery, the vegetation covered hills in the distance, and a picture perfect village at the foothills. Time seems to have stopped here. The traditional roofed huts, the agricultural fields, and the horses grazing around present a picture of village from the bygone era. This trip would guarantee a wonderful workout and huge volumes of free oxygen. Right at the beginning of this beautiful trail, you would find a temple dedicated to snake gods. This is a new temple and the bright colors stand as a beautiful contrast to the surrounding greenery. Just look at those lovely butterflies. There were so many of them fluttering around near this temple. This is a forested area and snakes are definitely present here. This temple might have been a place where people in the past prayed to the snake god before entering into the forest. A beautiful walk of 1 kilometer across the greenery would take you to the foothills of the hill, and then you have to start climbing the stairs. This beautiful green trail would make anyone feel happy. It was a lovely experience walking on this trail while listening to the chirping of birds, which was the only noise that could be heard there. This small temple is dedicated to Kal Bhairav. Kal Bhairav is an incarnation of Shiva, and in this form he removes pride and ego. Bhairav is an incarnation of Shiva and guards the Shakti Peeths. Wherever there is a temple of Shakti, a temple dedicated to Shiva and his incarnations is always present. This is a temple dedicated to Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who is one of the three Murti gods in Hinduism. Sri Krishna or Lord Vishnu is said to be the brother of Mahamaya or Bhavani Mata. The distance from this point to the temple is about 800 meters, and there are about 1000 steps that every devotee has to climb to worship Bhavani Mata. There is no ropeway facilities here or any other way to reach the top, and the only way to reach the top is to climb this 1000 stairs. This road is really pleasant. While climbing, you can hear chirping of birds, screeching of monkeys, and a chorus of numerous insects. The breeze would soothe your soul. However, after some time, you would lose your breath and would want to sit down. I sat down on the steps to catch my breath. However, at certain locations on this route, resting places are constructed. This route remains crowded with devotees during the Navratris. Bhavani Mata is an incarnation of Devi Adi Parashakti, who is the consort of Lord Shiva. Once upon a time, there was a Brahmin named Kardam who lived with his wife Anubhuti and an infant son. After the death of Kardam, the helpless and lonely Anubhuti prayed to goddess Shakti to look after the child. When Anubhuti was meditating, a demon named Kukur tortured her. To protect her devotee Anubhuti, Shakti incarnated as Bhavani Mata and fought with the demon and killed him. Bhavani Mata is considered to be the protector of women and children and a giver of life. The place really felt divine and I enjoyed the walk to the temple. While climbing the stairs, you would not have an idea of how much more steps you would have to climb. The more we climbed, the further the temple seemed. Truly speaking, at some point, I felt so breathless and so tired that I simply felt like lying flat on the steps. But then, I made myself up again to walk. Water is a must thing to carry if you are preparing to climb 1000 steps. Never forget to carry your bottle. At last, when you become totally exhausted and totally breathless, this view would be awaiting you at the top of the mountain. You must stop here and take in the beauty and freshness till you feel energized once again. From here, you have to climb a few more steps and then you would finally reach the abode of the goddess. One can buy offerings from this shop for the goddess. This temple is thronged by devotees during the Navratris. Navratri is a Hindu festival celebrated for 9 nights during the month of October, which is the autumn season. Navratri is celebrated in different parts of the country in different ways. Navratri marks the celebration of victory of good over evil. After visiting the temple, it is time to go down along those 1000 steps. This time you won't feel breathless, but you would feel a strain on the legs. Stop for some time in the stairs and absorb the greenery and the freshness to your heart's content, because once you go back to the city life, you would definitely miss this luxury. How should you come to this place? I know you want to. Come to Raipur Airport or Bilaspur Railway Station in Chhattisgarh and visit Dongargarh. Click the I button on your top right of the screen to watch the video on Dongargarh. From Dongargarh, Bhavani Mata Temple is just 18 kilometers and would take you a maximum of 35 minutes by road to reach this temple. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please provide your comments in the comment section below and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.